The YouTube algorithm recently had an upgrade and is stirring up the whole YouTube community. Right now, the algorithm is shining light on smaller channels by pumping their first videos to a large audience. And if you're watching this video right now, it's still not too late to get your hand in this. It gets better. With the availability of skilled freelancers all over the internet, you don't even need to have the editing skills or any of YouTube's secret sauce to run a successful YouTube channel. All you need is a couple of hours to get things going. Welcome to the world of YouTube automation. Today, I'm going to share with you guys an actionable step-by-step formula that you can use to kickstart your YouTube journey. I'll create an entirely new channel and guide you through every step along the way, from the research process to even creating a title for your videos. We'll dive into content planning, optimization tactics, earning opportunities, and then we'll sit back, analyze the video we created together, and go through some insane potential earnings. For those of you who don't fully understand what YouTube automation is, it is essentially the idea of outsourcing the processes required in making a YouTube video to other people in order to free up your time whilst generating passive income. However, to get to this stage, we'll first need to accomplish some things. We need to get our channel monetized so that we will actually have money pouring in to pay our hired workers. Otherwise, it will just be a sinking ship of losing money. To monetize our channel, the YouTube guidelines say that we need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Let's break this figure down. Assume our timeline for getting monetized is 2 months. If we post a 10-minute long video once a week, we will need around 10,000 views per video to get monetized. For some of us, this may seem like a lot, but if we actually put in the work and invest our time into this, it will surely pay off in the end. But hold on right there, there are some unique ways and methods I personally have used to ensure my channel got monetized as quickly as it could. But bear in mind, the quickest and most effective way to get monetized quickly is to post quality content that keeps the viewers engaged through the whole video whilst following YouTube's community guidelines. The first method I used was to cross-promote my content on other platforms to gain more traffic to my channel. What I did was to build a whole digital brand using the same name and logo as my channel on my Instagram and TikTok pages. That way, there are not only more earning opportunities, but also a larger audience for my content. However, to fully make use of this, we need to thoroughly understand the algorithms of those platforms as well. If you guys would like a video where I deeply analyze and break this down, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. Another way to speed up monetization is to post shorts on your channel, which also helps in generating more traffic. A common misconception is that people who view your shorts won't be recommended your long-form content. However, since August of 2022, YouTube has already updated its algorithm to create a bridge between long and short-form content. Now, YouTube is engineered to recommend your relevant long-form content to subscribers and viewers even if they've only watched your short-form videos before. Apart from this, I also follow a consistent upload schedule, as it's been proven that if you regularly post content, it's more likely to gain traction and get more views. Lastly, I always make sure to interact with my viewers through responding to their comments, etc. Alright, with that out of the way, we can finally go about getting our monetized channel automated. The first step in creating any video is to plan out the content. The key here is to create a whole structured content plan to remain organized and to ensure you always have content to create. To do this, we need to hop on over to our little creative corner and think about different umbrella terms that fall under our niche. For my new channel, I picked the niche of finance as it has one of the highest CPM rates, or in other words, how much you will be paid for 1,000 views or impressions the ads on your videos get. The umbrella terms I settled for were crypto, YouTube automation, dropshipping, and make money online. I chose these keywords specifically because content around these topics were high in demand yet relatively not competitive. Picking a niche that meets these demands are critical in ensuring YouTube success. And to do that, I used the vidIQ. All you have to do is go over to vidIQ and click keywords. You can then type in whatever keyword you think will be a hit, and vidIQ will show you its search volume as well as its competition. There are also some other useful features that vidIQ provides, such as daily content ideas, trending keywords, title recommendations, and many more. But there is a minor setback. You need to pay for these features. But if you're fine with paying, you can click the link in the video description and that will bring you right to it. If you're really serious about earning money from YouTube, I strongly suggest you invest a few dollars into this. Now that we have our terms, we can make 3 or 4 potential video ideas for each term, and there you have yourself a whole year's worth of content, assuming you're pumping out 1 amazing video per month. Now, let's go over making the video itself. Let's first break it down a bit. A faceless video is made up of 3 components: the voiceover, background footage, and sound. Let's start off with the voiceover. To script your videos, you could either do it yourself, or if you're feeling lazy, utilize AI such as ChatGPT and vid.io. If you want to do it yourself and you own an iPhone, I recommend using the Voice Memos app and then using the enhanced recording feature if you don't want to spend money on an audio device. For the background footage, you could compile a collection of stock footage from platforms such as Pexels, VidEasy, FreePic, and many more. You should create a separate folder in your computer for you to store all these files for YouTube. This is so that in the future, it will be easy for you to access them. Lastly, you can find the sounds from YouTube in an app called Miskit. Personally, I use a compilation of songs and sound effects to create a stunning video. This is the component I focus on the most, as poor quality is the first thing that viewers notice when they watch a YouTube video. Alternatively, you can all get this done in a matter of minutes with the help of an AI called Pictory. You can generate a complete YouTube video just from your script within a matter of minutes, with all the stock footage and audio clips already edited together. For time's sake, I'm going to be using this website to create my videos for this particular channel. However, I highly recommend that you either create a video yourself or outsource the work to freelancers if you have the budget right now. So here I am on Pictory, and I'm going to paste my script that I got from ChatGPT. Quick tip, always use a prompt when using ChatGPT, as it makes the output even more accurate. After combining all of these elements together, congrats! We now have our very first YouTube video. Before uploading, you should just watch through your video a couple of times to fix any errors. But now, let's focus our attention on designing the thumbnail and title. These two elements are the first thing that a user sees before clicking on our video. It's a common practice to always design your thumbnail and title before creating the video itself. But I personally don't follow this, as I find that it really limits the scope of the video and ties you down. To create a suitable title, we first need to research the keywords that is most searched for. That way, YouTube will recommend our videos to a larger audience. For this, I use Headline Studio. It gives users feedback on their title in the form of a headline score and an SEO score. It then provides you with areas of weakness and how to improve them in order to optimize your videos and ensure it reaches the most people it can. Link in the video description. Experiment with titles and see which one gets the highest scores. A general rule of thumb is to achieve a score higher than 75 for both. Now, the thumbnail. I create all my thumbnails on Canva. I'm sure all of you have heard of this website before, but for those of you who don't, it's free and provides many useful features. I then use Thumbnail Preview to see how my thumbnail looks amongst many others to make sure it stands out. For your video description, just ensure that all the relevant keywords are in the first two lines. You can then include anything else you find necessary, like your social pages or affiliate links. After that, it's time to upload, baby. Alright guys, I'll check out with you guys all in a week. Peace. A week has passed and it's time to see how our video has done. But before doing so, if you guys have any questions on what I've mentioned in this video, do feel free to drop it in the comments below and I'll respond to them as quickly as I can. As you can see, it got quite a lot of views considering I only spent around 5 minutes creating it. Now just repeat this process, upload consistently, and you should be on your way to earning money on YouTube. To ensure your videos get enough traffic, we could put some time into marketing them, whether organically or paying people to do so. To market our videos organically, we need to promote them wherever you can, from social media to blog posts. And if you have the budget, you could opt for paid options such as microworkers and other websites online. All you have to do is provide your video link and the rest will be done for you. But I want to dive a bit into microworkers for a bit. Microworkers is a website where people get paid a few cents for completing micro tasks, such as watching a YouTube video or subscribing to a channel. With around $10, we could get around 100 new subscribers that watch our videos from the start to the end. This could greatly benefit our video and the algorithm will pump it up to more people. Simple as that. This alone should be enough to get your channel up and going, but as you go down the line and you want to earn more from YouTube, you should really explore other means of income, such as affiliate marketing. An audience is one of the biggest leverages you could use to multiply your wealth, and the opportunities are endless. How affiliate marketing works is that for every sale that is made through your affiliate link, you will gain a commission. It's really all that simple. All you have to do is put your affiliate links in the video description, and if people like the product and purchase it, you'll earn a commission. To find these products, I like to use ClickBank, but there are also many other forms of affiliate marketing out there. Many websites have affiliate programs for you to join, such as Amazon Influencer Program, but these are only things to look at once you have amassed an audience. Right now, let's focus on the basics. Here over at ClickBank, we can see all the different products we can promote, and the commission we will earn from every sale made through our link. I'm going to copy one of these links and shorten them online, and then I'm going to paste them in one of my video descriptions as an example. And there we go. In fact, let's do some maths to see what's actually possible with this. An average conversion rate is about 0.5%, but let's just assume ours is 4 times worse at around 0.125%. Through promoting a paid finance cost, we will get around $200 per sale made using our link. Let's assume our video garners 10,000 views. That will make us around $250,000 just through putting links in our video description. But let's not forget about YouTube AdSense revenue. Assume you have gained around 5,000 subscribers over a given period of time and gather around 10,000 views per video. YouTube pays around $12 for every 1,000 views. That means we get around 120 views per video. But let's assume our channel does worse than we expect and gets only 8,000 views per video on average. That still leaves us with $100 just from throwing clips together. So, from one video alone, we could potentially get around $250,000 richer. Of course, you will need to put in the work, and it's not guaranteed that you will achieve this feat. However, like anything else in this world, it's still worth a shot. In reality, there is no true one confirmed way to make it as a content creator on YouTube. It comes after times and times of failure and videos with literally 0 views. But what separates a successful channel from a failing one is the creator's ability to bounce back. Having thick skin in this game is essential. Otherwise, you will get nowhere. Alright guys, that is it for this video. See you soon!